segment 2 here, we're going to be looking at an introduction to linear regression analysis, and we'll be talking about both simple and multiple linear regression. So a linear regression analysis indicates that you have one dependent variable, and sometimes it's called the predicted variable, and one or more independent variables, so the variables that will help you to predict or to explain the continuously measured DEV. So here you have a dependent variable that is continuously measured, and your independent variable or independent variables will be categorical and or continuous. If you only have one independent variable and you want to see if that one independent variable helps you to explain or to predict the continuously measured DEV, then it would be called a simple linear regression. If you have a number of independent variables that you want to see if they help you to explain or to predict a continuously measured DEV, then that would be called a multiple linear regression analysis. So again, simple is just if you have one IV, one DEV. Multiple would be if you have multiple factors helping you to explain a continuous DEV, and that's that multiple linear regression. So here, the two key words that you would see in, I guess, the test type of scenario would be explain or predict. Like you have a number of independent variables. So in your, like in the future, like I won't have a simple linear regression. It'll just say multiple linear regression, because generally speaking, there are multiple independent variables or factors that will help you to explain a dependent variable. It's very rare that there's just one variable that will really help you to explain a dependent variable. So here the two words are explain, predict. So if you have multiple factors, do they help you to explain or predict a dependent variable? It just so happens here the DEV is continuously measured. If that DEV would be dichotomous with just two categories, then that would be called a logistic regression analysis, where you can have odds ratios produced.